Hello, my name is Sue and I'm an occupational therapist at the Princess Alexandra Hospital. And I have Camila here, who is the research lead for HabITec, and we're both from the Hopkins Centre. Today we'll be talking about some of the work that we've been doing in this space for the last couple of years. So we know that there's been advancements in technology that are providing hope for the future to achieve better quality healthcare, efficient service delivery, and also enhance patients' experience and satisfaction. However, access to resources to gain the knowledge and skills to incorporate these advanced technologies continues to be a gap. We found in our research that people with disabilities are either not aware of the technologies that can be beneficial to them and also to meet their individual needs. Although our study focused mainly with people who are undergoing inpatient rehabilitation, from a clinical perspective, there are also people within the community who are also constantly inquiring about various types of technology to determine whether it meets their individual needs. Clinicians have also reported that their knowledge and awareness of technology is limited, and there were some barriers to learning and upskilling as inpatient therapists with other clinical demands, and there was a gap when it came to implementing technology as part of rehabilitation in an inpatient setting. So we're finding that within HabITec, where there's been a safe and an innovative space for all key stakeholders to work together, and in this picture we've had the engineer, we've had a clinician, a person with a disability, and also a technical expert to come and demonstrate and bring awareness to what is available to see whether it meets individual needs for that person, and giving the person with the disabilities the experience and their abilities to determine whether that will be something useful for their daily life. We have found, as part of the pilot project just recently, where patients were shown how to use mainstream accessibility features on their smart devices to communicate with their families, especially during COVID, and further with health professionals when in the community. They felt that if they could do this, then what else can I do? This was so valuable, as someone recently highlighted to me, the importance of empowering through knowledge, because no one cares more about your problem than you. So it really highlighted the importance of individualized approach for a space where people can come together to think about and explore and investigate how they can best meet their individual needs.
So in exploring the individual needs of these people with disability, we've also discovered that to them it's an opportunity to actually be in touch with other stakeholders within the field, not only their clinicians, but also researchers, designers, engineers, and going even further, funding bodies, and kind of understanding how the system as a whole works, but also seeing that at HabITec, when we provide a safe space where all of these people can not just collaborate, but also learn how to work in this more collaborative manner. In that line, a lot of what we do has been also building, learning, and sharing our experiences together with other professionals, because this is a new way of working. It's very different from what we've done before, and that brings its own set of challenges like language, different interests, different constraints, and a lot of times you do need to build relationships and confidence and trust, because a lot of times there are conflicts that we need to learn how to negotiate in a respectful way. And we've also been working a lot with students to promote this type of learning early on, so that also they get exposed to the field from the beginning. So finally, where we wanted to close is really, talking about a lot of what we've been working on and trying to promote the better use of technology, better development of technology, accelerate accelerating the adoption of technology. The way we see this working is really trying to break from the silos that we've been working in and moving towards a unified vision where we can all still, harness the expertise that everyone brings, but trying to walk together in the same direction. And that's all we have today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.